Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're unboxing this purple box. I actually haven't seen this before I bought it, and it was on a page that had many different kind of boxes, so I didn't even get to see a sales sheet or list or anything. No previews pictures, so this completely blind to me. So yeah, it will be interesting to see what it is. Yeah, strange feeling to the box, because very texture. Let's see, kind of looks like flowers or something. Yeah, never seen this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 packs. But no hit pack. But yeah, very nice. So maybe... Oh yeah. Nice pictures on the backs as well. And this look familiar. I've seen this backside, but yeah, see 6 cards per pack. Very foil SSR. Another SSR. Very shiny cards. SSR. 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 And another SSR. So only SSRs. I hope not they're only, so it gets variations to it. Yeah, I think I will cut the rest, save a little time. Have you seen this box before, or even open it? Seen anyone else open it? I have not, so yeah. Fun with something new. Jesus. Really sticking together. Oh, puzzle piece. Oh, they're kind of nice, but yeah, heart's the wrong way. But yeah, so puzzle piece on the back, like this. This is more like it. This is how you should make puzzles, I think. So a UR. I wonder if all of them have puzzles or just a few. SSR, SSR, SSR. Nice cards. It feels like many other standard cards, like Maiden Party, Goddess Story, boxes like that. Yeah, so nice. Oh, crap. Almost bent the cards. Sticking a bit together. Oh, look at this. Like a 3D card. It's kind of nice. Could have been a bit better art, but yeah, very nice. They've done it very good considering it's so thin, the card, and yet, yeah, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can very much see the 3D. Yeah, that very nice. HR, SSR, SSR. Yeah, already duplicate, but yeah, you kind of expect that when this many packs and this many cards. Let's see how many. Yeah, but very annoying, the cards sticking together. So yeah, over 100 cards per box, and yeah, so another UR, and yes, another puzzle on the back. So yeah, sticking, fitting together. So yeah, I do like that. See if how much of the puzzle we can get. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of like the cards. So yeah, this box, kind of nice surprise, but I'm hoping a bit more rarity. But yeah, this sticking together is very annoying. But yeah, something new. Let's see, what's that? No, not. This is strange. Wasn't this UR? Yeah, so strange. Never seen they have this same rarity where cards are like this and this. No puzzle on the back. On this one. So, do that with that. Spicy. Yeah, I wish they were not. Yeah, that they were less shiny than they are, but. Yeah. Not a UR. Huh. Yeah, I think I do this since it's almost like two different types of, yeah, even three different types of UR, since you have the puzzle piece on some of them. Oh, something new. CP? Oh, nice. Yeah, the SSR should have been a little less shiny and could have used a bit nicer color scheme to the card's background. I think a bit strange choice of coloring this, I don't know, green bluish. Oh, something new. Cedar. Yeah, I think I have to maybe buy more if I can. I don't know if I can buy any more of this. Yeah, very, very annoying sticking together part. You get a bit worried to damage the cards when sticking together like they do. Nice puzzle pieces fit together. Yeah, that's strange. Put the SSR like that. I don't know if it's meant that the card should be like this. But then this, yeah, it's... Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks strange. It should have been the other way. Yeah. Oh, nice SSR. Nice art. What do you think about this cards? Yeah, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. comment the video. A bit too many duplicates, but yeah, it's kind of expected when 18 packs and 6 cards per pack, but yeah, not a set though. Yeah, a bit nicer. Wonder if this is a misprint, or is she supposed to be half body in the shadow or something? Very dark card. Neseko, Demon Slayer, and final card CP. Yeah, pretty okay cards. So I got a third of the puzzle. So what did you think? My favorite card probably this one, not because of the art. I think mostly because I'm kinda impressed they managed to do the 3D effect pretty good on such a thin card. Mostly I've seen are thicker and also bent like this to make the effect, yeah, either this way or this way. And yeah, but yeah, it's fun with something new. I will try to buy more boxes that I don't know anything about like this, but nowadays I think when I found the few, it's hard to find sellers today, I think, and most of the time when I found sellers that have sold either very old boxes or boxes I haven't seen before, they pretty expensive, like 2-3 times the price, and yeah, it gets too expensive to buy. But yeah, I will try to find new, different, so not only opening the same. Yeah, now I'm just rambling on. I will end this. Like I said before, hope you like and subscribe, comment what you think, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.